Good evening. Welcome to Clemmerly English Warm-Ups. It's Saturday the 28th of February 2026. Yet another bill. One bill after the other. Electricity is very expensive. We hardly use any electricity, only for cooking. My wife loves baking cakes. Chocolate cake is my favorite. I also like cheesecake. My wife doesn't eat cakes. She only bakes for me. What's for supper this evening? Pancakes. With strawberry jam? Or apricot jam if you want. Let's go to the kitchen. And that's English warm-ups for this week. I'll be back next time. So, until then, bye-bye for now.